Hey, what's going on, guys? Appreciate you tuning in. 70 Fathom Green Chevelle SS. This is a documented LS5 454 car. Bucket seat interior. It's got a Tremec 5-speed and a ground pounding big block under the hood. Come along as we go for a deep dive today on this new arrival. Starting off up front, gorgeous chrome. These headlight buckets look great. We've got T3 headlamps in here. That's pretty snazzy. SS grille, of course. The correct white painted stripes looking good. Pop that on up. And you see our LS5 big block. This thing has been cranked up a little bit beyond the factory specs. Obviously, so you've got an Edelbrock intake manifold. We got Holley Sniper fuel injection up underneath here. We've got a nice choppy cam, a little bit of headwork done, gorgeous set of long tube ceramic coated headers. Wait till you hear this thing. And then helping with the drivability, we've got powerless brakes, power steering. So you got a newer Optima red top. And of course, we got that cowl induction hood right from the factory. We'll swing around the driver's side. Love the SS wheels. Wheel arch moldings are in great shape. Those are 255/60s and a 15-inch rim. 454 badging looking good. Nice consistent gaps over here. Finish on the mirror looks great. All of our window moldings are in great shape. Went on the quarter panel. It's not wavy, it's nice and flat. Whoever worked this body before paint did a really good job. Love the stripes out back, the stainless exhaust, the SS trim on the bumper. We'll see what we got out back here. Clean, simple, solid trunk, original wheel tubs, original trunk floor. I like it. Down the old passenger side. See, we got a little bit more tire. We're sporting a 275 out here. Wheel arch molding again looks good. Nice gaps, doors, rockers. Glass looks very clear all the way around. Looks like a brand new windshield in there. Fender, headlight bucket, hood all fit well. Chrome nice all over this thing. All right, doors open great. Door cards are in a nice condition. Looks like we have a brand new carpet kit in here. I like the matching Chevelle SS mats. Our high back buckets are looking good. They got headrest even. Got the correct SS wheel in here. And one pretty trick upgrade, they're factory appearing gauges, but they're modernized. This is a setup from Dakota Digital, and what you hear in the background right now is our electric fuel pump. There's just 3,568 miles on the build. How about that? Factory rear defogger car. We got a Pioneer head unit with Sirius XM, AM radio, FM radio, Bluetooth, USB hookup, everything you could ever want. Got a nice full console in here with the right shift pattern. This has got the Tremec 5-speed. Love the nice handle, white 5-speed ball. Put up on the dash. All factory, clean glove compartment. Our center console storage, same story. And we do have lap belts front and rear. Out back we got some more floor mats. Rear bench looks good. Top of the seat looks nice, not beat up from the sun. Package tray in good shape. Our factory defogger in here, it's a neat option. A couple of speakers added, giving this thing a nice bit of sound. Sail panel's in good shape. A little bit of age showing up here in the corners on the headliner, but overall in nice tidy shape. Dome lamp working, I dig it. Just rolled out of the shop. Got a little coolant temp building up in here. All of our gauges are working. This power steering feels lovely. We got a nice little sound system in here. Got pretty groovy there. It's got a couple of amps tucked up behind the rear seat, waking up a couple of these extra speakers. We got 2 down in the kick panels, 2 up in the package tray. It's just what this car needed. could already tell this is a powerful one. Gearbox feels great, goes through the gears real easily. Clutch is nice and strong. Powerless brakes stopped this car with no trouble. Taking this turn at about 50. Feels good and tight. Those tubular upper and lower control arms are really doing a number. This also has a nice heavy duty sway bar under it. This thing is a beast ride to drive. It does really well at those cruising speeds thanks to that 5-speed. And we haven't talked about it yet. It's got a 373 Posi out back and the factory GM 12-bolt housing. All good stuff. Speaking of factory GM stuff, uncovered in here was the original build sheet. And yes, this car is certified in the LS5 Chevelle Registry. There's a lot of clones out here. There is no denying this one. It's a badass car in the right original colors. It's got the right drivetrain. If you want to know anything more about it, drop us a line. It's 248-714-2110 or hit us via email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next clip.